everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this full glam look for y'all. So if you want to know what I use, continue watching. Alright, first I'm prepping my face using this Tula Blurring Moisturizing Primer, just to, of course, prime my face. Next, I'm going to go using Pure 401 Love Your Selfies in the shade LG6. I'm just going to put this all over my face. Alright, then I'm going to grab this Real Technique Kabuki brush and of course just blend the foundation into my skin. Alright, of course I'm grabbing my random brush and then just buffing and blending any harsh lines of foundation into my skin just to make sure it is all evened out. And then next I am going to move on to this NYX matte bronzer to bronze my face. Alright, next I'm grabbing this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Yellow just to highlight my face. Because of course I feel like when you do full glam, it's good to have a good contour and highlight for your makeup look. And then of course I'm grabbing a damp beauty blender and then just blending this in. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this Revolutions baking powder in the shade Ghost, and of course I'm just going to set my highlight that was underneath my eyes, down my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and of course my chin. And sometimes I like to pack this on just so I can have that good highlight underneath my eyes. And of course I feel like it makes my contour pop a lot. Alright, now I'm going to let that baking powder set a little bit, and of course I'm going to go do my eyeshadow with this Jaclyn Hill palette with this medium brown color. Alright, now I'm moving on to this darker brown color to do the outer corners of my eyelids. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this deep brown color just to darken my outer corners of my eyelids as well, just to have that full glam look, and of course I like to have a little smokiness in there as well. Alright, I just got done putting on my eyeshadow, but I'm grabbing this random brush and of course my washcloth, and I am just cleaning off my brush real quick just to make sure I don't have any excess makeup on it. And then I'm going to go in and of course just blend those three eyeshadows together just so I don't have any harsh lines, because you want to make sure they're all blended out. Alright, of course my famous quote, I'm grabbing my random brush and of course just dusting off the baking powder and of course some falling out eyeshadow, and of course making sure everything's blended together. Alright, now I am going to move on to my eyeliner, and I'm going to do my eyeliner with this NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a wing eyeliner look. Alright, I just got done doing my eyeliner, but I'm going to let that dry a little bit more. So I'm going to move on to my cheeks using Show Me Your Cheeks Elizabeth Mott in the shade Peachy Pink. Alright, now moving on to my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this Benefit 3 eyebrow pencil just to fill in my eyebrows. Alright, now that my eyeliner is dry, I'm going to be moving on to false lashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispy eyelashes. Alright, now I'm moving on to my lips. I'm going to be using Dose of Color in the shade Plum Queen to do my lips. Alright, and the best part, setting my makeup with the Urban Decay Makeup Setting Spray. Alright, now that I got done setting my face with that Urban Decay setting spray, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline mascara and of course do my bottom lashes. Alright, and there you have it folks, full glam of makeup. Until next time, bye guys.